The Arctic King Chest Freezer. The Arctic and the Arctic King Chest Freezer is in the name for a reason. The Arctic King is the best small deep freezer if you're looking for ice-cold to Arctic temperatures. Small but mighty, this 5 cubic foot chest freezer is a sleek black color with an adjustable thermostat that lets you program the compressor to keep your food protected between -0.4 to -13 degrees Fahrenheit. The easy-to-clean interior and well-designed recessed handle lets you grip and open the lid, and includes hold stops at 45 and 75-degree angles for quick loading, unloading, and rotation of your frozen inventory. An easily accessible defrost drain is built in at the back base of the cabinet. Arctic King includes a sturdy, removable hard plastic basket to transport food items from the freezer to the kitchen. The Arctic King weighs in at 66 pounds and measures 24.9 by 21.7 by 33.5 inches. Use the 3-prong plug in a standard 120-volt outlet and expect energy efficient as the unit runs on 218 kilowatt-hours and costs around $26 annually. Now for some pros. Stylish and great for indoor use. Here's a few cons. Limited product information and a higher-priced freezer with limited functionality.